Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm out here just put some new crops in the ground. Got some tomatoes right there, Roma tomatoes. And these are poblano peppers. So I had to trim back them bell peppers. Man, I got so many bell peppers. I had to prune them. This thing full of bell pepper. Bell pepper forest up in here. They everywhere. I had to prune that up. I pulled some of these. I pulled out about 4 of these banana pepper plants because they running over too. So I had to make room. I'm gonna put something else back in there because the growing season ain't over. Jalapenos. Look at that running over, Jack. Told you, man, get you some seed and put it in the soil, man. It ain't too late. It ain't too late. Another bed of tomatoes. And these hot lemon peppers in here. So, also, remember that compost I got on sale? Bam, putting it to work. I done worked some of that in here already. I dumped it in there and just worked it in with my hand. You know, feed your plants, baby. You gotta feed your plants. Same thing with the green beans. I just worked it down in the soil, just spread it around just like that. That's it, throw it in there and just kind of spread it around like that. And as you water it, it'll work itself down there in the roots. But yeah, we be picking some more green beans soon. Told you get tired of picking them. And these 4 new green bean plants on this side. Try to get y'all a view of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 vines growing over here. They'll be flowering up soon. We ain't through. Come on over here. Got some okra coming up. Okra coming up. Okra. Well, Grump, you said you weren't gonna plant okra no more. Yeah, I did. But I changed my mind. Cause I love okra, man. When you can get it fresh, it's good. Plus the okra can tolerate this heat, right? Okra can tolerate this heat. So, and we about to jump into summertime, so some more okra. I had planted earlier. It's coming up slow because that soil over here you got a lot of clay over here, but like I say, that okra hardy, Jack. It'll come on up. Cantaloupe. Yeah, but anyway, let me stay on top. Here goes some new stuff I done put in. That's some summer mini harvest pumpkins right there. Mini harvest pumpkin. And got some summer squash. And there's another one. And this, I believe, is that's the Casper. The Casper jack-o'-lantern is white. That's why they call it Casper. I got some cantaloupe. All right, here we go. Some more cantaloupe in here. I got some seeds in there, ain't coming up yet, and that's another. I think that's a jack-o'-lantern right there. That's a jack-o'-lantern. So, Like I said, man, growing season ain't over. All it is just getting hot. Just gotta learn how to grow in the heat. Because some of these plants love the heat. Sugar babies. Another one. Little small sugar baby. Yeah, the watermelon and them, the melons, they can handle that heat. Got some new cucumbers I planted back here. So yeah, be kicking off the second half, baby. So, like I'm saying, man, it ain't too late. You know what we do. Get some seed, put it in the soil. It ain't too late. Just a little different growing season. Okra good, your melon's good. You still got time if you in our zone 8B. You know, it's June, July, might as well say July. You got August, September. October is gonna be close, but I think you can get it because I'm betting we ain't gonna really drop down to the cold probably November. Just trying to see. Don't hurt nothing, just trying to see. Alright, y'all. Catch y'all on the next video.